Dear customers and partners, for many years we have met at Embedded World in Nuremberg.
But recently, fewer and fewer of you were able to visit our booth.
Travel has become more of a hassle. Less time, more paperwork.
So, for 2025, we decided that we will come to you
to share the latest news and updates.
What's more, we can arrange a timing workshop,
talk about timing analysis, potential timing optimization, all with respect to your project at your office.
This is actually internal education, and we are happy to provide certificates.
So, don't hesitate. Contact us for your embedded visit.